Now we come to the last event which is the Russian Revolution, which led to the abdication of the Tsar from his throne and the establishment of a socialist regime in Russia. To begin with, the workers that in St. Petersburg lived on the east side of the river Neva, and the west side was flanked by the royalty, government buildings and the nobility. तो जो वर्कर्स थे वो बुरी कंडीशन में रहते थे ऑन द ईस्ट साइड एंड वेस्ट साइड में बहुत अच्छे बड़े घर थे, रिच लोगों के घर थे. जो 1917 की विंटर्स थी वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही हार्श थी, बहुत सी स्नो और फ्रॉस्ट थी, तो क्रॉप्स अच्छी तरह से ग्रो नहीं हुई एंड अक्यूट फूड शॉर्टेज हो गई थी. रशिया में लोगों के पास खाने के लिए कुछ बचा नहीं था. जो सार था वो जो पार्लियामेंट थी उसको डिज़ोल्व करने की सोच रहे थे, लेकिन जो पार्लियामेंटेरियंस थे वो अपोज थे इस आइडिया से. एंड ऑफ कोर्स जो रेवोल्यूशनरीज थे दे ऑल्सो डिड नॉट वांट दैट, दे वांटेड दिस दूमा टू बी एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस. सो अगर वो ज़ार अब डिड अवे विथ द दूमा दे वुडंट हैव बीन वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट. ऑन February 22nd there was a lockout in a factory on the east bank of in St. Petersburg, and on the next day the workers united in protest and sympathy. जो women थी they led a lot of ways in a lot of they led the way in a lot of places, and that day came to be known as the International Women's Day. It's of course different now, but तब वो था. They reached the center of the capital, Nevsky Prospect, and this was very close to the Winter Palace. So जो government थी they imposed a curfew, and they wanted the police and Cossacks to be very careful about the protesters. But so after the curfew was imposed, जो workers थे वो चले गए थे, लेकिन they came back on the next day, and which is basically the 24th and the 25th. And on the 25th of February जो Duma थी वो सार ने suspend कर दी for once and for all. So demonstrators again took to the streets on the 27th because they wanted the Duma to come back. Together the force, they ransacked the police headquarters, and the police in turn refused to fire at them because they also were in support of the workers wanting a Duma and a constituent assembly. So it came as a shock to the Tsar that jo police thi, the one force which is supposed to protect him and support him also refused to listen to his advice or his orders. The army men also wanted to join the strike, so the soldiers in the army, because वो भी unhappy थे, उनकी pay अच्छी नहीं थी और living conditions बहुत बुरे थे, and they were being forced to fight in very cold weather. तो ये सब 1917 में हो रहा था. So एक जगह एक आर्मी ऑफिसर को मार भी दिया था in one of the barracks of the regiments because वो इनको stop कर रहे थे. So by the evening of the 27th, there was a Soviet or a council established. This was known as the Petrograd Soviet, one of the first of its kind, and ये वहीं establish हुई थी जहाँ Duma मिलती थी for its meetings. The Tsar listened to the advice of his commanders and abdicated the throne on March 2nd. So Tsar चले गए थे, he left the throne and he went into hiding in some other country. A provincial government was established in Russia at this time, and of course it was led by the Soviet, and the constituent assembly was to be elected by the was to be elected on the basis of the universal add-on franchise, and ये फिर law बना के एक proper Russian socialist democracy establish करते. This was the plan of the Petrograd Soviet, जो अभी एक provincial government में उनका, this was the plan of the provincial government which was to discern or which was to establish the future of Russia. तो ये हमको पूरा बताता है how the Russian Revolution came into being. After this was the Civil War, which was very brutal. This was fought between the socialists on one side and the supporters of the Tsar on the other side, which we will learn about now.